Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm rzorrwolf, Mecca, whatever. I don't even think I'd be introducing myself in the beginning of my videos. Y'all probably just like, who is this? Like, if I didn't introduce myself right now, y'all wouldn't even know who I was. I'm gonna be thrifting today. We're thrifting today. The fall stuff should be out. I went to one thrift store. It was like one of the chains of the one that I'm going to. So the fall stuff should be out. I'm so excited. I've been ready for fall since the middle of summer because it's been so hot this summer. I'm ready for it to be fall. I love fall. It's my favorite season. You know, I'm ready to wear my jackets. I'm ready to be fully clothed without having to optimize my outfit for the heat and stuff. I think my outfits are going to be better this fall. I already have like a whole list of stuff that I'm going to get. I'm just going to follow that. I've been planning out this whole list for like at least like 2 weeks now because I want to make sure when I go, I find the right stuff. Like, I've been just like putting stuff on like throughout the last 2 weeks and just thinking like, what would make this outfit better? And then I'll just write it on my list and hopefully we find most of the stuff on this list today. I don't know how lucky I'm gonna get today, but this is my favorite thrift store, so I have a lot of faith. Yeah, so let's get to it. So I do have like my list and I forgot to tell y'all what's on my list. So first off, I'm just gonna have to hold this weird. I have a pea coat because pea coats are really, really cute and I've been really into those. I like the way they shape your body. I'm in the coat aisle right now actually and I kind of see a couple coats. I don't know. I haven't looked through it yet. I'm gonna look through it in a second, but I want to tell y'all this stuff first. I'm just gonna go through really fast. I don't want to go overly deep into every single thing. Next, a v-neck sweater, a vest, long sleeve bolero, huge bow. What was I talking about? Striped leggings, a leather vest or jacket, Uggs, then tight long sleeve shirts, leather gloves, black skinny jeans. But yeah, let's start actually. Oh, this kind of looks like the coat I have already. I'm not into brown. I don't even know why I'm looking at that. Don't want a red coat for sure. I like gray. Oh, wait. Why is this kind of cute, though? Do y'all see the vision? I like it. $14? This look isn't bad, though. What y'all think? I like it. I think I might put it in a cart, try it on later. Just to, like, see for sure, you know? Yeah, there's really not much else. Yeah, not much else right here. There is another section that has more jackets and stuff. But I'm gonna go to the shoe section, see if I can find some boots. Oh wait, there's a couple more coats right here. Wait, that's actually so cute, but it's too big for me. I wish that altering coats was as easy as altering literally everything else. But it's not. But there's no point in getting that and trying to alter it because it would probably break my sewing machine. And I don't even think my sewing machine would even lift high enough to even allow that to slide under it so I can sew it. Okay, I see these docs every time I come here. They're too shiny for me though. These kind of... Nah, not really though. I want some lace-up boots. I didn't even put that on the list, but I do want some lace-up boots. Oh, these are kind of cute, but I know they're too small for me. They look little. Okay, the boot section not looking too good, not gonna lie. I never really find shoes at this thrift store. I'm just not lucky with shoes here. I'm gonna just check the lingerie section, because why not? It's full now. I don't know. Oh, I like this little bow on here. Oh, this is nice. Wow, these two are actually really cute. Look at this. Oh, this is adorable. I love the color of this too. And this is like, what's going on in the back? Like it like crosses over it. I'm a little confused, I'm not gonna lie. But I do like this though, it's really cute. I think I'm putting it in the car, I can't even lie. That color is really, really pretty. I don't even wear colors like that though, but I have been into like the dusty purples, like lavender. No, if you get it, you get it, I don't know. This is really cute too. I think I might put that in the cart too. That's also really, really cute. And oh look, I don't like this though, but it's cute. Wait, I kind of fuck with this. Oh my god, I really like these. Hold on, where's the other shoe? And this one has literally tissue in it. These flip flops are cute. Look at these. These are really, really cute. If only they're my color, then they're kind of wedged. Oh, these are freaking adorable, and they look like they're my size too. That's actually so sad. These are really cute, but they're not my color though. Those are not my color, but this is. Actually, low key, now that I'm looking at them, ooh, I really want some shoes that are shaped like this. I don't like the way these look though. They're too big for me anyways, but like, I still don't like the way they're shaped. Yeah, the boot section and all that right now. I've also been into like the wedge boot, like Isabel Marant, but like not exactly that. I think I know what I'm talking about. I don't know. I could have just made up a shoe in my head and just be like telling y'all some bullshit right now. Bro, these shoes have been in here forever. Look at these though. They're cool. This is crazy. $4. How big are they? A 9.5. That's probably why I never get them. Well, no, that is why. What the fuck? I can't fit them. But they be having like such cute little flats, and they don't be my size at all. Like, what did I do to deserve that? Oh, this little furry jacket things. Oh, look, it's Forever 21. RP to Forever 21, man. I can't believe that. Actually, no, I can't believe it though. It makes sense that Forever 21 closed because the store got so shitty. Let me look at these maxi skirts because they look really cute. Blouse. Damn, this could have been cute, but the sleeves are weird. Do I like them? It's inside out. $6 though? I don't know, maybe. Okay, so I found this shirt and I really like the way it's shaped at the top, you know, but the sleeves are not cute. So I'm thinking about cutting the sleeves off, but I don't know. Low key, I see a vision though. I do see a vision if I cut the sleeves off. I'm gonna keep that in there, let it marinate. See how I feel about it later. This scratchy ass bag. It looks cute though. I kind of with that. This section right here is overwhelming the shit out of me. Like, it's like draped over here and then it's hella colors. This is overstimulating me. Like, this looks nice and neat and then you turn around and it's this. I kind of like this though. What y'all think? Am I tweaking? I'm gonna put it back because I feel like I'm just, I don't know. It's the thrift store air making me just want to buy it. You gotta watch out for that thrift store air. Damn, bro. This stuff is shoved in here. Y'all, I'm fucking crying. Hold on, y'all. Look fit check real quick. Look fit check. Some slight, you know, some slight. Ooh, did my button unbutton? Y'all just gonna let me walk around like this? I knew y'all was fake. You see? Tell me why, y'all. I'm walking past, right? This kid was like, do you know that? I don't know what he said before that, but all I heard was, do you notice that? And he was like, what? And the kid was like, oh, E-I-E. And I was like, what? Like, genuinely confused, bro. I had to walk off. I was so scared, bro. Like, this. Bro, kids are funny as hell. I swear to God, my kid better be that funny or he cannot live with me, bro. I'm going to abort that at 3 years old. No, I'm playing, obviously. But I'm so dead. That shit was funny. Ooh, fake Lululemon. Yeah. Bro, they be charging arm and leg for Lululemon thrift stores. Like, what the f do you mean this ugly workout shirt is $30? Like, who wants that? Nobody's buying that. Y'all just trying some shit. Y'all just want to see if somebody will buy that shit. Okay, so I'm looking through the jackets right now. I'm so sorry if y'all can hear the music. It's so loud. I'm really hoping that I can find a peacoat or like a leather jacket that's smaller than the one that I have because the one that I have is huge. I got a grandfather coat. It's not looking too good for me, y'all. And these are just big ass winter coats. Shit that I don't need right now. The color of this purse is so cute. That's so cute. But I don't want that. But it's really cute. Y'all, I just picked up this bag and I was like, oh, buttons, that's so cool. And then I was like, oh, there's only $1. I look closer. Hold on. Look at that one. That's so cute. What's up, bad bitches? I'm back from the thrift store. It's been a whole day, actually, and I don't know what I kept in or what I didn't keep in, but here's the haul. I feel like I put a lot of stuff back, but I do feel like I kept a decent amount of stuff, and I'm very excited to show y'all what I got. Okay, so first, you know I had to get one of the slip dresses. I, of course, got the black one instead of the lavender one. The lavender one was pretty and all, but I know I wasn't going to get anywhere out of her because I don't wear that color, like, ever. That color, no light colors like that are in my wardrobe, so I was just like, this is most likely going to be a waste of my time and my money. So, you know, I did the rational adult decision and put it back. RIP to her. I hope a baddie got her. For real. This was such a good little deal, you know, $5. You know, somebody on Depop right now is currently selling this for $20, so I think I got a good deal. All these clothes smell like somebody's grandma, but you know what? Ain't nothing a washing machine can't fix. I didn't even wash any of this stuff yet because I haven't had time to, but I will, trust. Next is this blouse right here. I don't know. Can you even see it really good? I don't even think I tried this on. I just know that it's gonna eat so bad because I love blouses. Like a collared button-up blouse, my favorite. It has like this really, really pretty floral, like velvet detail on it. Girl, I'm a flowers on clothes, so yeah, this snatched up quick as hell. I hope y'all can see the vision. Then only $3. Girl, yes, I'm so happy. I feel like this would have been at a vintage fest for like $25. Like that's how much they be charging. Then next, actually this is so good because I never find stuff like this at the thrift store. Like usually you have to find stuff like this fast fashion, and I really thought this was a Halloween costume at first. I'm still so shocked. This is $5.99. For some reason there's 2 tags on here. You know, there's 2 tags. There's one blank one. I wish I had a pen with me. I would have wrote down $1. Really, really pretty skirt. So happy I ended up getting it. I almost didn't get it because I was like, oh, it's a lot of red. Okay, next is this bolero. So I already have one, as you can see, this one that I have on right now, but this one's a different material. This one's more like knit cardigan material, and also just really, really like this tag and just the way this one fits. It fits better than this one, honestly. I'm gonna have to like alter the sleeves because I don't like how long they are and how puffy it is at the top, but it's still a cute bolero. But I do think this one's better, and I'm probably gonna wear this one a lot more. This one feels a little bit fancier, you know, so yeah, I think it's good to have multiple of them anyways because yeah, it's one of my favorite things right now. Oh yeah, next is this scarf. I'm pretty sure I already showed y'all. Tassels, really, really pretty scarf. Super cute for the fall. Then lastly, as I was leaving the store, I found these leg warmers. Yes. This is more like of a end of summer, like going into fall. There wasn't really a lot of fall stuff there, you know. I did get things that, you know, I will be using for my fall wardrobe, like the little knit bolero, the maxi skirt, the blouse, you know, it's long sleeve or whatever, the scarf, you know, it's cool and all, but it wasn't fully giving fall like I wanted it to. So, you know, there will be another fall thrifting vlog, of course, when the fall stuff is really, really out and it's like a bunch of it everywhere, like a million coats all over the thrift store, stuff like that, you know, more sweaters. I'm a little disappointed that I didn't find the stuff on my list. Like I really found nothing other than these striped leg warmers, which I didn't expect to find at all. I wanted striped leggings to wear under my skirts, you know, in the fall, so that layering with a skirt and I can still wear skirts and stuff and, you know, still be warm or whatever. But I found these and I think these will also go very well with my fall wardrobe. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Let me know which one of these items is your favorite. Let me know your fall wish list. Let me know your fall clothing wish list and the stuff that you are really excited to wear this fall. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Just leave a comment for me, please. I be trying to talk to y'all, but y'all don't want to talk to me, apparently. I don't know what I be doing. Y'all scared? Y'all think I'm gonna bite y'all or something? You think I'm gonna bite you if you comment? No, please leave your opinions, anything. Leave a hate comment. I don't care. Just leave a comment, okay? See y'all on the next Wednesday.